Welcome to Felish Joshua channel. Please subscribe, watch our video. Bye friends. I love you.
Hi friends. We are going to make a pancake. It is very easy, but your parents need to help you. This hat, I made it in the last video. If you didn't watch, please watch. We are going to show you what other things needed. I am using pancake powder. If you don't have pancake powder, you can use all-purpose flour. 1 egg, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 2 tablespoon oil, milk, half teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you can use lemon juice. In the pancake powder, already sugar is added. If you are using normal, then you must add half cup sugar. Take a bowl. We have to mix the oil and the egg. Oh, is it nice?
Yeah. That's my turn. That's my turn.
No.
Now it's my turn.
No, I do. I have to do.
Now I do.
Felisha, I have to do if I do only.
After you do, then I do. Okay? Now I do.
I hold for you. Yeah, do like that. Faster, faster. Round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Now we have made the pancake. It's time to taste it with chocolate sprinkles.
Now you open, I put, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I cut for you.
Ah.
Whoa! Okay, here. There are 3 slices. My brother will take 1 piece and I will take 1 piece. Here you go. Should take. Wait. I put sprinkles on. Oh, there's 1 sprinkle. I'm gonna eat it. Yum yum yum.
So nice. Yummy.
Yummy. Nice and good.
Nice and good. Nice and good.
You can